Okay, guys, I wanted to do a quick video here just to show you this EURAUD trade that I took last night about 10 o'clock Eastern time here. I got the ATH signal. So let me just show you. Okay, so on the daily chart here, when you're looking at a trend for the daily chart here on EURAUD, it's been in a longer term downtrend, but right here we have a 2x2 on the way up off the bottom here. So 1 2 1 2 breaks this internal structure right in through here. So this is now this became bullish on the daily chart, and on the H4 it had been bullish. So we were looking for buys, and we had identified this banker candle right here. Okay, this is the last down candle before this big up move here. So we identified this banker candle. We have somewhat of a consolidation area here, although it's a little bit big, not really great structure to it. And then it pushes up. And so we look for it to come back and hit this 4-hour candle. Now, once the 4-hour candle gets hit, we have an alarm set on TradingView. When that alarm goes off, then we come here in MT4. And so we look, and you see these lines here. Let me just get these out of here for a second so I could show you this better. Okay, so here's our 4-hour candle. So this candle right here, this is the 4-hour candle that comes down and mitigates our banker candle right here. So we're going to mark that candle. Then we drop down to the 1-hour chart, and we're waiting for an ATH to go off for a buy. Okay, so this was our arrow right. This was our line right here. And so what had happened was we had a couple situations here where this trade we had already taken it and we'd already won, right? And so now what happened was it had come back down, right? It went up. We won this trade, right? It's in the group here. You'll see it a little bit further down if you scroll down. We had already won that trade there. And then what happened was the candle comes down again, and it mitigates that banker candle right here. Okay, so we drop down to the H1, and then right here, we get a ATH signal confirmation that it's good to buy this pair again. So what happens is that's where we would get in after this candle closes. Now the ATH doesn't repaint. Okay, it'll go on and off while the candle is live, but once the candle closes, if it's there, it stays there forever. If it's not there, it never shows up. So this was the candle right here, and you can see here what happened was after that it goes up over 100 pips. Okay, so what happened was we had this set here to sell. We had the exit manager on to sell half the position once it was up 50 pips. But what happened was here there was a bunch of news today, I believe, that pushed all these candles up really fast. So we got out with 59 pips. And then what happened was on the same candle, it dropped down, and after it sold half our position at 59, it moved the stop loss to break even plus 10 pips. So it went down, and then we got stopped out with a 10 pip gain. So we got 59 pips on half the position, 10 pips on the other half, and then it did end up going up 100 pips here. Okay, before it stopped, and now it's pulling back right here. So this was the second time that we've taken this trade off of that same 4-hour candle, and we did win both of the trades. So this was the trade for EURAUD that I took last night on September 9th. I'll put this here in the group, and I'll also drop the trade confirmations in there for proof as well. Have a great day, guys.